Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SharkBot 7 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to go to apps. And then let's scroll down and find special app access. And right here we need to scroll and find install unknown apps. So right here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download something from Chrome. So I need to find it and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. Beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher here, and the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.